Dear students, good morning. Welcome to the online class organized by Bharati Vidya Mandir Kantapur. Dear students, today I am going to teach you the 7th class English lesson 2, and the name of the chapter is The Jackal and the Rooster. In your offline classes, I also taught this chapter to you. Today I am going to revise the lesson. Come to the topic, the jackal and the rooster and the HCP1. There was a very big and handsome rooster. He looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. He also felt like a king. He got up very early in the morning, sat on a high place and sang non-stop, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. The student, there was a very big and handsome rooster. She looked like a king because it had a beautiful red crown on its head. It also felt like a king. गोटे गंजा कुकुराटे थिला से निजकु सब राजा बोली भावे कहीं ना ता मुंड उपरे गोटे नालीर मुकुट थिला अब से कौन करे ना ही गॉट अप वेरी अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग सबुदिन सकाळु से उठे उठिकी तार काम होला कौन से गोटे सैट ऑन हाई प्लेस गोटे उच्च जगार सब से बसे एवं एंड सैंग एवं तार गीत गाइबा आरंभ करे. He knew that his song was much better than the songs of the other roosters in his locality. एवं से जानी छी his song was much better, much louder, much clearer, much sweeter than the other roosters in his locality. अंचल जिते सब रूस्टर अच्छा समस्त रूस्टर ठू अन्य समस्त रूस्टर ठारू ता स्वरटा बहुत मीठा, बहुत सुंदर, बहुत क्लियर. बट he wanted to make his song still better, louder and clearer. तथापि से चाहे आउ टिके अधिक ये तो गोटे आमर सहजात प्रवृत्ति आम पाखर जी थाए आम सब वी वांट मोर एंड मोर एंड मोर बिकज ह्यूमन वांट्स आर अनलिमिटेड. आम पाखर जहाँ जिते थिले भी आम सब आउ टिके अधिक अधिक इच्छा कर लाइक द रूस्टर ऑल्सो वांटेड to make its song still better, clearer and louder.